So what image we want, what labels, labels found. Found, coordinate, index. Text, font, scale, color 2, and thickness text. Okay. Now we want to save that frame. Here, okay. Saves video with bounding box. Okay, video out dot right image before color. Then after this, we want it to release the video. Video out dot release. Okay. Then I want this to print that it's done. Okay, and let's run this. So we go over here, go to predicted videos, delete that. Okay, it's not letting us delete that. Let's restart this terminal. Delete that, and we didn't have to. Could have deleted it itself, but yeah. So let's run this, and it should have, after it's done, like what happened here. 91. Okay. Make another one. Yep. This again. Okay, it's creating the video, and it should draw a bounding box at the center object and also at the needle tip. And it should label them on top of it, and then on the center box, if there's a center box and a needle tip found, it should also say the degrees on the center object. And then we're going to use this to find some kind of equation that associates the degrees with how much PSI it's showing. So yeah, I'll get back to you after that. Okay, so this is done, and yeah, it's how we want it to be. As long as the needle tip and the center are both showing, it'll show the degrees on the right side of the center. And now we can use this degrees to associate to find out what the PSI is. And in order to do that, let's go to Excel, and we'll fit a equation. So if I go over here and look at roughly 174 degrees, we get a PSI of 2000. Go over here, 174, we get a PSI of 2000. And then we'll try out at 1500 at 142 degrees. Do it again at 500 at 75 degrees. 75 at 500. Okay, and we'll insert a plot. Here, and then we want to fit a trend line. That trend line, linear, we want to show the equation that matches with this. So you can see right here, it is, can I expand this? Yes, I can. It is this value right here. Okay, now that we have that, we can now associate with the degrees, x, to the PSI. So let's start writing that on here. Actually, before I do that, let's do like some kind of a alert or notification that says if theta of 500, or if psi below 500 or above 2000 psi, alerts. So we'll say if theta is less than, where's this video? At 500 we said 75 degrees, right? 75, and then 2000 we'll say that's 174. If theta is less than 75 or theta is greater than equal to 174, then we'll do a whim sound beep. We'll use frequency and duration that we had before. Bounce syntax. Oh, less than equal to. Okay. And if we run this, and we also print out theta, it should sound like this. So it alerts us if it's above 2000 or below 500. You should hear it again soon. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off and just delete this image, my video. And then we also wanted to show the PSI on the needle tip. And to do that, I'll go over here, put degrees on center object, and PSI on needle tip. So go over here, I'm gonna copy this. Here, if needle tip and label PSI is equal to some value. Well, we have the equation below. Actually, let's do that now. This equation 15.117 times the theta plus or minus 636 36.9. That's what I think I saw. Yep. And so labels found, label, and this is going to be PSI. And yeah, let's run this now. Okay, great. Okay, so hopefully this also shows us the PSI. Forgot to round it. What? Okay, this needs to change to PSI. Yeah, I forgot to round this. Round that, or stew. Sure. Okay, I mean, so we look at this, it's pretty much right. It just needs to be rounded, and degree sign needs to go to PSI. So I'm going to rerun this, and I'll see you on the next steps. Okay, great. So this is done. Hopefully it's fixed. Yes. And yeah, now it shows the PSI that this is located in. And of course, if you want to like have the needle tip OS show on here, you just need more images, unfortunately. You just need to give the Roboflow just more images so that can be more accurate. And if you want to test this out on like video through your phone or other videos or so, you just need to get a wide diversity of images that shows the center and the needle tip. And then after that, you get this. You can yeah, try it out anywhere you want. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So see y'all. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. So I will be providing this code on to my GitHub. The link will be shown over there. And also on my description. So yeah, if you want to just skip all this and just copy the code and just to modify it wherever you want, it should be on my GitHub. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. So take care.